How to create viral AI-generated shorts videos for free. Everyone wants to create viral reel videos to earn money, but many people struggle to find the right niche. Today, I will introduce you to a highly trending niche that is completely free to start. No paid tools, no special skills, and no prior experience are required. All you need to do is follow these steps, and by the end of this tutorial, you will have a stunning AI-generated shorts video ready to upload and go viral. Step 1. Generating a video idea with AI. Before you start creating videos, you need a creative and engaging concept. The easiest way to come up with ideas is by using ChatGPT. To do this, open ChatGPT and enter a detailed prompt asking it to generate unique video content ideas. For example, you can type, "Generate 10 unique and creative video content ideas focused on miniature worlds, fantasy themes, or food-based tiny creations." ChatGPT will provide you with multiple video ideas that are highly engaging. If you already have a concept in mind but need better direction, another trick is to take a screenshot of an existing video and upload it to ChatGPT. It will analyze the image and generate a similar type of prompt for you. Step 2. Creating AI-generated images. Go to Canva and open the Dream Lab. This is an AI-powered image generation tool introduced by Canva. Once inside, paste the prompt you have prepared and wait a few seconds. Canva will quickly generate a high-quality AI image using just 1 credit. The best part is that you don't need any advanced skills. Just copy and paste the prompt and Canva will do the rest. You can generate multiple images by pasting different prompts. Download each image one by one and save them for later use. Another excellent AI image tool is Leonardo AI. This platform also provides free credits, which are enough to generate 2 videos worth of AI-generated images. To use it, simply paste your prompt into Leonardo AI's image generator and let the AI process it. The platform produces stunning full HD quality pictures that are visually rich and perfect for video content. These AI-generated images look professional and are highly detailed, making them ideal for creative storytelling. Additionally, there's another great free tool called Pixelman.ai. Unlike some other AI image generators, Pixelman.ai does not require any credits. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account, and you can start generating AI images right away. Just paste your prompt into the tool and within seconds, you will get high-resolution, impressive AI-generated images for free. This is a great option for those who want to experiment with AI visuals without any cost. Download each image one by one and store them for your project. With these tools, Canva Dream Lab, Leonardo AI, and Pixelman.ai, you can create high-quality AI images effortlessly. These platforms offer a simple, user-friendly experience, allowing you to generate professional-looking AI images in just a few clicks. Now that your images are ready, you can move on to the next step of your content creation process. Step 3. Converting AI images into a video. Now that you have high-quality AI-generated images, it's time to turn them into a short video. To do this, use Kling.ai, a free tool that provides up to 166 free credits, allowing you to create multiple AI-generated videos. Upload the AI-generated images one by one. Select the duration for each image, usually 5 seconds per frame works best. Click the Generate button and the AI will create stunning animated sequences from your images. Download all the generated video clips. Step 4. Editing the video for maximum engagement. After generating the video clips, you need to edit them into a smooth, engaging, and professional-looking final video. To do this, use CapCut, a free and easy-to-use video editing software. Import all your AI-generated video clips into CapCut. Arrange the clips in a logical sequence to ensure a smooth flow. Add transitions between clips to enhance the visual appeal. Include text overlays to highlight important parts of the video. Adjust the timing and pacing to match the overall theme of your content. Once you're satisfied with the edits, export the video in high resolution. Step 5. Uploading the video with SEO optimization. Now that your AI-generated video is ready, the final step is to upload it in a way that maximizes its chances of going viral. To do this, use relevant keywords and hashtags to help the video rank in searches. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate trending keywords and hashtags for your specific niche. Copy and paste the best performing keywords into your video title and description. Use eye-catching thumbnails to attract more viewers. Add a compelling call to action, encouraging people to like, comment, and subscribe. By following these steps, you can create high-quality AI-generated shorts videos without any investment. This method is perfect for beginners who want to start creating viral content and earn money from their videos. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.